If you want your YouTube channel to go viral in just 10 days, then you need to stop to do what most creators are doing. In today's video, I'm going to be showing the exact strategy you can actually apply on your channel, and you can actually start getting the views even with 0 subscribers. Most people upload video here on YouTube for months and they still don't have the views. The truth is, getting views here on YouTube is not by luck. It's all about the strategy, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing you 5 steps that you can actually use to actually go viral. Now, step 1, pick the right topic. Most mistakes small creators make here on YouTube is making videos about topics that are not actually relatable. If you want to actually get views on YouTube, I will advise you always go for trendy topics that solves problem. Yes, because a lot of people come here on YouTube, it's either they want to be entertained, or they want to like get their problem solved, or they want to like make some research or find it, because YouTube is actually the second biggest search engine in the world. So a lot of people actually come here to seek solutions. So I always advise you always make videos about all these stuffs, but you should be pertaining to your niche. Making trending videos or trending topic doesn't mean that you should be diverting or talking about another thing that is not actually related to your niche, because remember, your niche is actually also very important. So always stay in your area. Don't divert because you want to talk about trending topic or trending what is trending. You now be, if you need, let's happen now like me now, I make video about YouTube growth now, but I'll now be making video about football, like talking about Ronaldo, because if I talk about that kind of stuff, I'm going to trend. No, that's actually wrong. Always try to make content that are relatable, searchable, and pertaining to your niche. That's the first one. Now, step 2 is you should create an irresistible title. Yes, your title is actually very important, because if your title is bad, people are going to ignore your video. So always try to create a good and clear title. Your title should explain the content of your video, because if people does not relate with your title, then that video is going to be dead. So always try to work on your title. Step 3, design a thumbnail that stops the scroll. A thumbnail is like a cover of a book. So if it does not grab attention, people are going to click out. So when designing your thumbnail, try to create a eye-catching thumbnail, something that if people see, they are going to click on it. Don't overcrowd your thumbnail with too much text, images, and color. No, that's actually wrong. Just try to make your thumbnail as very simple as possible. And there are different applications that you can use to create your thumbnail. You can use CapCut, you can use AIs. There are different AI images. You can even use ChatGPT to generate your thumbnail. So that's another thing you actually need to take note of. Step 4, hook the viewers immediately. The first 10 seconds of your video is actually very important. If people come across your video and in the first 10 seconds they click out from your video, this is going to send a bad signal to the YouTube algorithm that your video is actually boring, and YouTube is going to stop pushing your video. So when you are trying to create your video, always try to hook your viewers. Do not do introduction. Do not do introduction unless you're already a big YouTuber. But if you are just starting, just go straight to the point. Because there's one of my guys on his YouTube channel. At first, when he started, he always tried to like introduce himself, or doing those introduction YouTube trailer, using different stuffs like that, and he was not actually getting the views. And when I looked at his channel, I saw that this was actually the problem. And what I did was that I make sure that he removed those introduction part in his, all those introductory parts. Those parts that I did introduction, we cut it out from the video, and we just left from where the main content is. That's what we left. And from that day, he has been getting a lot of views. His views has been skyrocketing, and he's even monetized now. So you see, that's actually very true. So don't do introduction, just go straight to the point. Because now the last step, if you do all the other things that I've said in this video and you ignore this last step, you are still not going to have the views, because this last step is actually very important, and is uploading consistently. Yes, consistent. Even like apart from YouTube, if you are doing something consistent, even in life scenario, being consistent in anything you do is actually very important. If you want to grow, even in your academics, you need to be consistent. In your business, you need to be consistent. Anything you are doing in life, generally, you have to be consistent. So it also implies here on YouTube, if you want to grow on YouTube, you need to be uploading. Like, you can't be uploading video for, like, you upload video today and the next time they're going to see you is in 2 months or in 3 weeks. No, that's not how to grow here on YouTube. You need to make sure that you're always showing up, whether you are getting views or you're not getting views, because as you're uploading, that's the more the algorithm is knowing your content, like understanding your content, and it's going to know the right people to push it to. But if you are not uploading if you are not uploading video here on YouTube, the algorithm is not going to know the right people to push your content to. You will not have enough data in your catalog, like to push your content to the right people in order to get views. So if you are not getting views and you are not uploading consistent, that's your own fault. And remember, uploading consistent don't mean that you upload every day, but just have a schedule, a time frame that, okay, this is also days I will be uploading, and that is it. I am going to grow faster here on YouTube. So if you want to grow faster here on YouTube, start applying another strategy today and you see yourself winning. So I've actually come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and leave a comment. And if you want to go into faceless YouTube content, I actually made a video talking about the top 5 faceless niches with the highest RPM in 2026. Do well to check out that video, and thanks for watching.